Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Ram 2500 Bighorn in a black exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior: you will have turn signal indicators, as well as heated mirrors, and you will also have running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium gray cloth, along with the black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 15 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 11 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 15 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium gray cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have two cup holders here in the floorboard. And on the back of the center console, you will have your heat and AC vents, as well as a small storage area. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just over 40,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight options as well as your dash brightness. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your talking options as well as your dashboard options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a beautiful middle display equipped with AM, FM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your traction control and your towing. You will have your gear shifter knob, as well as your four-wheel drive options. You will also have several USB plug-ins, and you will have a pop-out storage area. You will also have 3 cup holders, a large center console, and this will fold up to become a middle seat. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 6.4L V8F OHV 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple stone chips. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have several chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have several scratches, as well as several chips. Here on the passenger side of the bed, you will have several scratches. Here on the tailgate, you will have a couple scratches as well as a couple chips. Here on the driver's side of the bed, you will also have several scratches. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches. the front driver's side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as several scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2021 Ram 2500 Bighorn in a black exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, all things automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.